All right, yesterday we were talking about the bicycle diagram. We didn't totally get to it. We glued our bicycle in. All right. Now, today we're going to talk about that bicycle diagram and how it relates to our active and passive transport. Okay? So, as I come to my hill, as I look at the hill here, we're going to represent the top of the hill as the high concentration. High part of the hill, high concentration. And we're going to then represent the two bottom parts of the hill as the low concentration. So as we go to the top of the hill is high concentration. The bottom of the hill, whether it's on the left or the right side, is the lower concentration. Now, where are we going to start our bike off at? Well, we're going to start right at the top of the hill. So as I'm at the top of the hill, I'm at the highest concentration. So where the materials are of the highest concentration, I'm at. If I ride my bike towards the arrow, down the hill, if I ride that bike down the hill, do I need to exert a lot of energy? No, I don't need any energy. That bike will go from the top of the hill to the bottom of the hill with absolutely no energy, correct? So I don't need any energy to get from the top of the hill to the bottom of the hill. Well, let's look at this in terms of transport. If I go from a high concentration to a low concentration, and I don't use any energy, what did we say that was? What did we say it was? Passive transport, right? So this section is passive transport right here. An area of high concentration to an area of low concentration with no energy required. I am undergoing passive transport. Now, let's set that up and let's look at it in a little bit of a different way. I still have my same high concentration. I still have my same low concentration. However, my bike is starting here. I'm at the bottom of the hill over here. So I'm at a low concentration, correct? If I want to take my bike and ride up that hill, is that going to require me to exert energy? Am I going to need to exert energy to ride up that hill? Absolutely. So I have energy required. So to go from a low concentration to high concentration, I'm moving against the concentration gradient. If I need to move against the concentration gradient, I need energy to do so. So when I go from an area of low concentration to an area of high concentration, which requires energy, that is called what? That is called what? Active transport. Active transport. So as we look at the whole picture, okay, based on our bicycle diagram, you should have a diagram that looks like this, drawn in your interactive notebook. You don't have to. Okay, I saw some people write bike in there. Okay, if you want to draw another bike, you can, just to know that, as the bike's going from low to high, then high to low. Okay, that's the important thing. So when we're thinking about active transport, when we're thinking about passive transport, think about the bike diagram. Okay, what requires energy going from low to high? What does not require energy going from high to low? Okay, so that's an excellent way to remember active and passive transport.